Okay, so this is Leather Guard from the Leather Repair Company. We actually own the trademark for Leather Guard. It is a fantastic product. It is like a ceramic, but it isn't a ceramic. It is a breathable coating that goes on the surface of the leather to protect it from stains, things like curry, drink, alcohol, coffee, tea, newspaper print, denim dye transfer, rain, anything like that. It will protect it against that. With the Leather Guard coating. It synergistically bonds to the surface of the hide and becomes an integral part of the skin itself. So it actually allows the skin to still breathe as it does normally. So that is the beauty with Leather Guard. It's a very, very, very simple application for LRC41 Leather Guard. Obviously with any product, shake the bottle first of all, spray on a couple of coatings onto the pad, and then just simply, obviously make sure your item is protected first, and then just simply wipe this into the surface. That's all you've got to do, just wipe it over to the surface, like so. Get it into every little sort of corner that you can think of. Spread it around on the bag, and that is going to form a really nice barrier of protection on the surface. Cover every area you can, because you want to make sure that the bag is completely fully waterproofed. You only really need to apply a couple of coatings at the most on here. You don't want to apply more. With this, it's like less is more in effect, because it's better protection to have a thinner coat than it is a much thicker coating. So just simply apply it. It dries very, very quickly. It dries completely clear. It can be used on any colour leather, not just handbags, cars, sofas, jackets, shoes, shorts, trousers, belts, anything, purses, wallets. It can be used on anything from leather floors to leather walls to leather banisters. As long as it's leather, this product, LRC41 Leather Guard, will work on it. You can get a warranty system with the Leather Guard when applied through an authorised Roborn's technician. Roborn's is a trading name of Leather Repair Company, is a brand of ours, and you can get a 3-year guarantee on here. Any products, when this product is applied, any stains that appear on here that cannot be removed, LRC will fix them free of charge. There is no other company in the leather industry that will do that, that will fix the stains free of charge when this has been applied by a Roborn's accredited technician. That is LRC41 Leather Guard. Buy it from the website today, leatherrepaircompany.com, or send us an email, help@leatherrepaircompany.com, to inquire about an authorised Roborn's technician applying this coating for you and getting your 3-year coating. Or hop on over and just buy a bottle and apply it yourself. Very, very simple. Spray and apply. It dries quite quickly. It's dried already, and just simply wipe it on. Even coating. It doesn't matter what colour the leather, it'll work on anything, whether it's pink, cream, orange, brown, blue, black, brown or yellow. leatherrepaircompany.com.